Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a new video, I think. So this video is my 2020 spring clean out. I've already did a part 1 to this video. You should totally go back and check that video out. And basically in that video I changed the sheets on my bed and hung a couple things on my wall, vacuumed. But I need to organize all my drawers and just get my desk together, and I'm going to try to move some clothes around in here. So that's my idea, and that's what I'm hoping to get done the next couple of days. So anyways, I'm just going to start off probably on my desk, and I have another video playing of a YouTuber cleaning her room, so it's motivating me. And yeah, so if you're new, it's Kenzy and welcome to my channel. I have all kinds of cool videos on my channel that I've been uploading during this quarantine, so you should definitely subscribe and go check those out. And you can also turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, because I've got some other cool videos planned for the rest of the quarantine. And give this video a thumbs up if you are ready to escape quarantine, because I feel you. So anyways, let's just hop right in, and this video is going to be a lot of montages, so get ready for that. Get a couple of drawers cleaned out and put some other stuff in there so that I have more room. So that's what I'm gonna do next. This drawer used to be where I kept my pajamas, and those are just long sleeve white shirts and a magazine that my grandpa was in, so I keep that. But now I have this entire drawer, and I moved my pajamas over to this drawer, which is kind of overflowing, but just because I threw everything in there. So yeah, now I have another drawer, and I cleaned out one of those, so I'm really using up my space. So this is going to be part 2 of this video, spring cleaning my room. Today I'm planning to maybe go through a couple more drawers, yeah, and then organize my makeup, and then maybe a couple DIY things. And I also have Sadie Aldice, I think is her name, playing in the background, a cleaning video. So let's just hop right in and get this done. Now I'm going to be organizing this kind of box of all of my makeup. So this should take me a while, but hopefully I get it looking better than it is. Okay, so I got it all organized. This compartment is my foundations, this back compartment, is my lipsticks, and then the large middle is my palettes and a hair mask I had and some beauty blenders. In this compartment I have my eyebrows. This one I have my eyes, like mascara and eyeliner. And then there's a little one here you can't see, but it is my tweezers. And then I have all of my brushes, and then all of my bronzers and blushes and highlighter. So got it pretty organized. Okay, so same spot, but now I'm going to organize these 2 containers of just random pencils, pens, and markers, because this one is overflowing and I need to do this. So yeah. Okay, so I think that's all I'm gonna do today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.